I want y'all to be very, very careful when it comes to this cayenne. This is the strongest one, and it'll put you down. You ain't gonna die from it, but you're gonna be in here coughing and sneezing for an hour. So you literally only getting a little bit of it. When I say a little bit, a pinch. I ain't even finna play with y'all. I'm using that. Hey, look, y'all think I'm playing? All right? Yeah, break it up and then mix it with the bottom of your spoon. And then you're going to use the top of your spoon to pour it on there, and you take a spoonful of it. Y'all, if y'all do this every rising, this will retrain your immune system.